What's the meaning of boneless? Boneless. Boneless.
Boneless. Boneless. The term boneless refers to the absence of bones in a piece of meat or fish. This can be achieved through different methods such as mechanical removal or filleting. Boneless meat and fish tend to be easier to prepare and consume compared to their bone-in counterparts. They also offer more versatility in cooking methods. Boneless cuts of meat are often used in stir-fries, stews, and baking due to their tenderness and quick cooking time. Boneless fish can be grilled, baked, or fried without worrying about accidentally consuming small bones. Overall, boneless meat and fish offer convenience and ease of use in the kitchen.